The U.S. economy is a topic of constant scrutiny, especially with the rapid changes in the global landscape. Recently, there's been a mixture of positive and concerning signals from various sectors. Let's break down some of the key developments shaping the current economic environment. One of the most important factors driving the U.S. economy at the moment is inflation. While inflation has slowed down from its peak in mid-2022, it remains a significant concern for both consumers and businesses. The Federal Reserve has been aggressively increasing interest rates to combat inflation. This approach has had a cooling effect on the housing market and borrowing in general, but inflation remains above the Fed's 2% target. Rising costs in areas such as energy and food continue to put pressure on households. The labor market remains another critical factor in the health of the U.S. economy. Despite fears of a recession, job growth has been robust throughout much of 2023 and into 2024. Unemployment remains low, hovering around 3.5%. However, there are signs of a potential cooling as job openings have started to decline. The Fed's efforts to control inflation have led to slower wage growth, which may eventually ease labor market tightness. Yet, for now, the labor market continues to defy expectations, providing stability to the broader economy. Consumer spending has been another bright spot in the economic picture. As the largest component of the U.S. economy, it accounts for about 2/3 of economic activity. In recent months, consumer spending has remained strong despite higher prices. Some of this can be attributed to pent-up demand from the pandemic years, where consumers saved more than usual. However, many analysts warn that consumer spending could decline if inflation continues to eat into disposable income. Credit card debt has also been rising, indicating that some consumers may be relying on borrowing to maintain their spending habits. On the other side of the equation, the U.S. housing market has been under significant strain due to rising interest rates. As the Fed continues to raise rates, mortgage rates have skyrocketed. This has made it more expensive for potential buyers to purchase homes, leading to a slowdown in home sales. Home prices, however, have remained relatively stable, though some markets are beginning to see price drops. The housing market is in a delicate position, and any further rate increases could lead to a more significant correction. In terms of the stock market, volatility has been a defining feature in 2024. After a strong recovery in 2023, markets have been choppy, reflecting uncertainty around inflation, interest rates, and global events. Meanwhile, there are several other important economic stories unfolding that deserve attention. One of these is the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation in various industries. Companies are increasingly investing in AI to boost productivity and reduce labor costs. This trend could have long-term implications for the labor market, particularly in sectors that are highly susceptible to automation. While AI has the potential to drive significant economic growth, another story to watch is the growing focus on renewable energy and the green economy. As governments and businesses around the world look to reduce their carbon footprints, investments in renewable energy sources such as wind, solar, and electric vehicles are increasing. The U.S. is no exception, with the Biden administration pushing for more investments in green technology as part of its broader climate agenda. This shift towards a green economy could create new job opportunities and spur economic growth, but it also comes with challenges, particularly in transitioning away from traditional energy industries. Rising interest rates have slowed the housing market, and international factors such as energy prices and trade tensions continue to influence economic conditions. Thanks for tuning in to this breakdown of the latest developments in the U.S. economy. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Stay informed and stay ahead of the curve. Until next time.